Hey everybody, and welcome to Vlogmas what episode is it now? Episode 4. How is it only 4 days in? I really don't know, but I'm looking forward to this one because we have an unboxing video to do for all of the goodies that came from the Disney store. And I didn't actually expect the box to be anywhere near this big, so this could be interesting. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so here we go. If memory serves, there's probably Christmas decorations, pins, and maybe something else. I don't know, let's have a look and see. Well, that's cool. I like that. I don't know, I didn't know that they did that, so that's actually kind of cool. Kind of seems a bit of a shame to then throw the box away if it looks that cool. But anyway, carrying on. Okay, so the first thing you'll probably notice is this. So this is a Disney 100 soap dispenser and was my free gift for spending so much money on Black Friday. So I'm told that when you squirt the top of it, the soap actually comes out in the shape of Mickey, which is quite interesting. So I'm gonna have to give that a try at some point. So there we go, we've got the Disney 100. I think there was a choice of two. One was just like a sort of standard Disney one, and one was the Disney 100 one. And of course I had to do the 100, so there we go. We've got our free gift, which is some soap. So there we go, an interesting start. And then I don't really know where to start now. Let's have a look in here. Okay, so first up we've got a little pin to add to the collection. And again, this was in the Black Friday sales. Obviously, I love my Disney pins, but for those that have been watching me for a while, you'll know that if I see a pin which is anything to do with Pirates of the Caribbean, whether it's got Mickey Mouse in it or not, I will get it. Doesn't matter if it's about the ride or if it's about the films, or if it's the Mickey version of Pirates, I will try to get them. So there we go. We've got a Pirates of the Caribbean Mickey Mouse there to start off our unboxing. And then this goes with the Pirate Mickey. We've got Donald, or is it Donald, or is it, no, it's not Donald. I think it's Scrooge McDuck. Either way though, it is of course still Pirates themed, which is why I wanted to get it. So there we go, that is another one for the Pirates pile. I know what this is going to be, and I'm really excited about this. This is going to be very, very cool. There we go. This is a jumbo pin celebrating Mickey and Minnie's 95th anniversary. Check that out. It is huge as a pin. It's bigger than the jumbo pin that I got of the Infinity Gauntlet, the Marvel one, a few weeks ago. This is even bigger, and comes in that wonderful little commemorative box as well. So there we go. God, I love that. That is so cool. Didn't actually look as good as this in the pictures, I have to say. I didn't think the photos on the Disney Store website did this any justice whatsoever. But I love that. That is absolutely brilliant. That's so, so, so worthy of the pin collection that I've got. Because of the box, I don't think I'm going to put it in the bag at all of the others. I think it's too good to kind of go in there. I love that. That is absolutely brilliant. And there we go, 95 magical years of Mickey and Minnie Mouse. And then we're left with these 4, and I know what these are going to be. These are going to be the baubles that I ordered. However, I did actually order 5, and then one of them has been refunded for no reason. And they didn't actually explain to me why that was the case. I have to say, this is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be tiny. It's gigantic. It's going to absolutely dominate my tiny little tree. That is so cool. It's very, reminds me of Epcot. It kind of reminds me of the Epcot ball. It is see-through, but you've got that wonderful colour effect on there. I actually like that one a lot more than I thought I would. I only really got this one at the time because it was part of the set, although I'm missing one anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I thought I'd get them all, and oh, that's really, really cool. It's part of their sketchbook ornament collection, apparently, according to that. But that's actually really, really nice. I really, really like that. Oh, this one, ah, yeah. That just screams Christmas, right? Again, it's part of this sketchbook collection. I am gutted that I didn't get all 5 though, and that they've refunded me for 1, because these are so much nicer than I thought they were going to be. A lot bigger than I expected. But I love that. Very, very Christmassy. And yeah, it's just a shame I'm not going to get a complete set, but I do at least get 4 of them. And given the size of them and the fact that I've got a really tiny tree, it may actually not be the biggest disaster in the world that I only have 4. But there we go. That's quite a nice one. Now this is my, this is my least favourite of the 4 because it's the most girly, which obviously doesn't really appeal to me. But because I was going for the set, I've ordered them all. It's kind of annoying me that this is the one that I do get, not the one that they actually refunded. Again, for no known reason. There you go. But it's still all right though. It's still kind of cool. And that design on the front and all of those like stones that are on there does remind me of like baubles that, I don't know, were in my childhood for some reason. I'm not really sure why. I can't get over the size of these. These are so much bigger than I thought. I thought they'd be half the size, maybe not even that. So these are really, really impressed me, actually, to be honest. Again, such a shame that I didn't get the 5th one. The 5th one was like a kind of tartan pattern that was on it, I think, if memory serves. So yeah, but that's the 3rd one of the 4. Now this one I like. This is Christmassy. There we go. Check that out. That is cool. I like that. That is definitely Christmassy. Again, it's a shame that I don't have the 5th one. So the 5th one kind of had a similar sort of pattern on this one, but it had, yeah, like a tartan kind of design to it, and the colours were like red and dark green. So it would have been really nice to have had a full set. But having said that, the 4 that I've got, I'm more than impressed with. These are so much better, bigger, nicer than I expected them to be. Don't know if you can see it on there, but you kind of got all this like frosty effect all over this one as well. So this one just screams Christmas. I love this. And yeah, it's going to look really, really good on the tree when I eventually do put it up. And that, I'm afraid, is an empty box. But it's still a really cool box. Look at all those Mickeys. So there we go. Those were my Disney Store Black Friday purchases with Christmas decorations, pins, and some really random Disney 100 soap. I have to say that of all of the things, I'm probably happiest with this pin. It's just absolutely brilliant. Of all of the pins, I mean, I have some like limited edition and commemorative pins, but this one, I have to say, is just, that's just top of the range. That I love that. So cool. Love the fact that it commemorates Mickey 95 or Mickey and Minnie 95. I love the design of it. I love Sorcerer Mickey there. You've got Steamboat Willie there. Oh, it's just brilliant. I adore this. It's so cool. And oh, brilliant. Yeah, really happy with that. Wasn't exactly the cheapest pin that I own in the world, but it's kind of what you expect, really, to be honest, for a pin that's this big, but also, you know, commemorative and certainly collectible. So I'm really looking forward to Mickey 100, where I can try to hopefully add to this. I'm just trying to think. I don't think I ever really got anything for Mickey 90 except for this Mickey Mouse up here behind me. Yeah, that was Mickey 90 Years of Magic. And also I think I ended up with like a blanket and a small pin, like just an ordinary Mickey 90 pin. I think the pin was from Disneyland Paris, and it was more like commemorating Mickey's birthday party, which was like the event that they had at Disneyland Paris. So this is the only thing that's like exclusively in terms of pins just for Mickey 95 or Mickey and Minnie 95, and limited release as well. So really happy with that. And in addition, of course, I'm really happy with those Christmas baubles. They're so much nicer and a hell of a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be. It's such a shame that it's not not a complete set and that they refunded me for one. No explanation as to why. If I had to guess, I'd say that maybe they sold out because it was all in Black Friday sales. So maybe they just sold too many that they actually had, and that was why they did it. So bit of a shame, but I'm really happy with the ones that I've got. So yeah, super super glad to get those. We've also got, of course, the two extra pins that I got as well. It was a bit of a kind of, while I was there, I'd buy them kind of deal. So you got the two sort of Pirates of the Caribbean, Disney characters versions of Pirates of the Caribbean. So they'll probably go in my old Disney pin bag, which has all of the pirate stuff in it. But yeah, I just really like those. And it was obviously, yeah, Black Friday. So as things were going in my basket, I thought, well, I'll get those as well. And of course, the soap. The Disney 100 soap. This was free. This didn't cost me anything. It was basically, I'd spent so much already. It was like, here's your free gift. And they gave me a choice of a few things. One was a generic Disney soap dispenser. One was this one, the Disney 100 soap dispenser. And then there were like some Christmas baubles in there as well, but I didn't like them. So I went with this purely because it was the only thing in there that really appealed, which to be honest is only because it's got Disney 100 written on it. But I do like the idea of having Mickey shaped soap on my hands. So so there we go. So there we are. That is absolutely everything. And yeah, really happy with all of these. And yeah, what was your favorite? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about all of these things, be it the pins or the baubles or whatever. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and certainly can't wait to get the tree up, which is going to be my next mission as soon as I can get that done. And of course, I will film it for Vlogmas as well. So yeah, I'm just a little bit gutted that I couldn't get a complete set of those baubles and that they refunded me one. They also refunded me one of the ones that I wanted the most, but never mind. On that terrible disappointment, it's time to end, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.